help OFWs this pandemic, the Department of Trade and Industry or DTI 7 held a live webinar entitled Agri Negosyo para sa OFWs to provide information on starting one's own agribusiness.
Now is the best time to invest in agribusiness. The pandemic has shown the resilience of the agriculture sector and its importance. Agriculture is one sector that actually showed growth in the midst of the pandemic. With this in mind, the government is prioritizing agriculture, but this time the focus is not just on production, but the entire value chain.
The webinar featured discussions on various topics such as the process of online business registration with the DTI 7 and the training and scholarship programs by TESDA for OFWs.
So on your screen, this is the stimulus package that our beloved OFWs can avail. Number 1, free training and assessment, 1-year accident insurance, 160 pesos per day training support fund, 100 pesos internet allowance, 500 pesos health for PPE, and other post-training fund assistance in the form of proceeds as may be applicable.
They also discussed the technologies available for agribusiness in the country, as well as new marketing strategies employed by the Department of Agriculture for local entrepreneurs. Another important topic tackled was the available financing programs for OFWs from different agencies such as the Land Bank of the Philippines.
The minimum loanable amount shall be 100,000 at a maximum of 2 million pesos for OFW applicant as single proprietorship and a maximum of 5 million pesos for group of OFWs either as partnership, corporation, or cooperative.
According to the Department of Labor and Employment, the government has already repatriated more than 500,000 OFWs since the pandemic started in 2020. And they are hopeful that programs such as this would help our returning kababayan start anew.